It's the washing machine versus the Gambit.
Matchup between the two top teams right now.
Yeah, this is a battle for #1 seed at the moment, I think.
Pretty much. Good start from Red Mad.
I think they're both 6-2. It's just run differential. So any win by anybody puts it at the top. Ooh, terrible hit from the MVP frontrunner.
Mm-hmm.
And an amazing hit from Yoshi, except for the fact that that's going to get caught by the fucking magnet hands.
It's weird that they like magnet hands it, but they're also like clearly they would be moving more. You know?
Yeah, like they magnet hands it, but they're also leaning over, indicating that like they're reaching for it.
Out from Mario, they're gonna start out scoreless.
Yeah, rather unexplosive start. Good hit from Red Shy Guy.
Yep, right in that gap between third and Stuk.
Oh, holy missed timing.
Missed timing. Didn't even hit the ball this time.
Ooh, that's gonna be a not an easy double play. That's a fielder's choice.
Yep. Floater from Birdo right before Red Noki.
Barely gets down for Red Noki. But it's Petey. He's big. He's strong.
He's got one cam on.
It's one of the smaller stadiums of the game, and it's going to be a Star Swing home run! Yeah!
Jump? Stuckmandy's gone. He has left the stand.
It might be on a stretcher, given the fact that I think that ball might not... Nope, it went back into the stadium.
Yup. I think Knockoff has both of the Star Swing home runs this season.
That's crazy.
Red Toad hits it to Mario though for the jumping catch. Green Toad also hits it to Mario. 3-run inning from the Gambits to start the game off.
Indeed. That'll be a good start at least from the washing machine. Slow roller up the middle. The best Pianta.
A good one. Nice into the gap. The just fast enough Pianta.
The green one.
Good chance of a Star Swing here. If he hits it all.
You know,
Alright.
all the more impressive that he's actually up at 7 properly, given the fact that I don't think I checked which one was batting 7th.
I feel like he did, but
No, I checked which one was on third base.
I know that. Another single, keeping bases loaded for the washing machine.
Ooh, Dixie.
For Dixie Kong. Highest double play count in the entire league.
Yeah, they call her double play Dixie for a reason.
No one calls her that.
They're gonna start calling her that!
No, not a double play. She barely gets to it.
Barely gets it. Thank God. Thank God Black Shy Guy just not got that throwing arm.
Red mentions it's straight foul.
Oh, amazing!
Star
line
swing?
drive. That'll score 1.
Right in the left field.
And the game is tied with Fire Bro up to bat. If you're the washing machine,
2 runners on.
yeah, if you're the washing machine, you hope he does not repeat that first inning performance.
Mm-hmm. This is a Star Swing.
I guess gets it down. That's gonna be
Good line
bases
drive.
loaded for Yoshi.
Yep. Yoshi Grand Slam? Question mark, question mark, question mark?
I think he wants it. Traffic light.
He might. He might not want it.
I don't want to do anything here.
And he's going to get fooled by the bullet bill this time. Strikes out. Mario though now.
No stars for Bowser Jr.
Completely out, yeah.
Is that going to be a... Ooh.
Star Swing strikeout for Mario.
I hate to see it. But at least the
The
score
base
has
is
been
loaded.
evened up a bit.
Yup. 7 hits to 3. Hit the gap from Yellow Madge.
Junior wants it.
He doesn't want it.
And he wants it.
No, straight to Red Piana.
Maybe not straight. He still had to die for it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the best baby.
The best baby. He misses. And he strikes
Dog
out.
shit. Terrible child. Get him out of here.
Blow him up. I think Baby Mario did awful last game.
That he did. But like, if Baby Luigi also does really bad, then he could lose his grip on the best baby title.
Possibly. That is a good dive catch from Mario.
Massive dive from him. Showing up for his terrible lapse in judgment on offense.
Hmm. Tied 3-3 in the top of the third. Oh, he hits it to Red Toad.
What RP?
Ooh, too much height on it. Baby Luigi's barely gonna get there in time.
Yeah, I think he would have wanted it a bit more to the right there. Would have had a really good shot at hitting the wall, and the CPUs just wouldn't have got it. Oh no, bird! So I'm noticing I'm noticing a pattern. I will refrain from saying what the pattern is until the inning is over. Ooh, amazing dive from Dixie.
Yeah. Did you get another home run? Misses? He's on 2 strikes.
Unless it's a
And
hospital.
threw that to right field, top fly.
The dodes! Oh, the bird! To the chain shot!
The bird!
To
It's
Dixie!
out. The chain shot.
Alright.
Yeah, that's an out.
Alright, the pattern's broken. We weren't alternating who has a 0 and who has a 3. Okay, good. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Oh, Birdo
Good hit from Red
tried! Birdo tried, but she missed the suction catch.
Alright, he's gonna get the out at first.
That's his red
And second for Red Madge.
Almost saw a
It's
little
a
bit of
foul.
Madge on Madge violence. That's fair!
This time.
Oh, that's
Maybe
gonna
just
break
a little more fair
to
change
home!
off. And it's a double. Metal dog. Who's past the line?
Yeah, it landed on the line. Oh, but Red Match so greedy!
Yeah, we did see a lot of greed in that last game, but this time, no, we got what is something.
Now we finally got some greed. These are the Superstar Baseball CPUs I know and love.
Bowser Jr. throwing 2 balls on Yoshi.
Wanted to give him a little bit of pity. He's gonna love the count.
Oh, he's ball away. Is he gonna throw one?
Nope.
No, Yoshi strikes out.
1 run. The first inning did not have a 0 or a 3.
No, they're gonna score 2 here.
If the Toads can properly time this swing here. And he can! That's gonna get down. Easily for a
Or a
double.
double.
I think Green Toad, one of the only Toads to not have a home run this season.
I think he has.
Oh, Green Bear. Oh, Red Noki. A real bad day for the Nokis when it comes to fielding. They cannot stop getting hurt.
Bowser Jr. on 2 strikes. Strikes out using the Star Swing too.
You saw Mario do it. He thought he could do better.
Now it's time for Just Baby. And he's
Oh
gonna get
no, they tried to
safe.
turn the double play. Now for Red Guy. Oh, he also misses the Star Swing. Oh, he missed 2!
They're absolutely throwing away these stars.
Actually, that guy's gonna go down the middle. Oh.
Yellow
Oh
Man.
no, but Yellow
gonna
Match,
try
the
to run home.
greed! He stalled up for a second.
The
'cause
greed, but he like hesitated because he was at third. Then he just wasn't moving, and he would have made it.
I think the CPU has to take a second to make sure nobody else runs. It's weird.
Yeah.
Plus, it's that like thinks the ball's gonna get caught, so he's not running. I don't know.
The washing machine has the star monopoly here. They have so many, and they're not using like any of them.
Wow. Black Shy Guy diving all the way to second and not turning a play there. Ooh, that's gonna be out for RP.
Popped up.
But it's the green one. With the bunt, this could be massive.
Are they gonna throw to second or throw to first? They're gonna throw to first and not get him out anyways.
That was just a good
Perfectly
bunt. There wasn't
executed
any
bunt.
issues. He just made it work.
He's so fast.
He's so fast.
Grounder star swing into the gap.
Amazing grounder. So
Gonna get 2 home.
Get 2. Para's on the corners for Red Match now.
Should be a big rally.
Oh no, not for Red Match, for
Washington.
Dixie.
Oh, that's less good.
A lot less good. Unless she gets struck out, which will bring Red Match up.
Yeah, she is gonna strike out.
With the opportunity to get Fire Bro up with runners on base. And he will!
No. Budget line drive star swing.
Oh! Ooh! Good thing Red Pair is a little quick with it.
Fire Bro with 2 runners on the corners.
Watch us
Takes
do
2
go.
strikes though.
Ball.
Good eye.
This will be a hit or... Oh no! That's gonna be the inning!
It's a terrible ground your star swing.
We're back to scoring 3.
More threes. Please.
Down for Birdo.
I think Fire Bros charged a few times.
A really off game from Firebro so far, I think.
Yeah, not done a lot compared to normal.
Ooh,
PD strikes out the Fire Bro.
making sure PD doesn't get another.
Red Toad pops it out to Yoshi. There you go, Green Toad. Misses. Takes a second strike. Is he gonna strike out here?
Yes, he is!
He will! Strikes out looking.
Into a still pretty good part of the lineup here for the washing machine. And we're at the top of the 6th already. Ooh, terrible. Oh. I thought it was going to get caught by the bird for a second.
Mario.
Stop.
Mario.
It's a sound.
Mario!
I don't know about this one,
Good hit into the gap.
It's a good hit, Mario. No! He's gonna round for 3rd! He's gonna get greeted!
He's out.
No! Oh. Ooh.
And Radoki, straight to red guy.
Terrible hit from Yellow Madge, though.
Junior, the worst single of all time, maybe.
A single's a single. I don't know if we can really complain about it. We're the best baby!
Yeah. 2 strikes.
The best baby!
Good hit. The best baby.
Bringing the guys up. Another whiff star!
I think he's at 3 now.
That one's gonna hit, though!
He hits it! He hits it, and that's gonna be 2 home easily. It has to be.
Ooh, Red Shy Guy turns around instead of greeting it out. He saw what happened to Mario.
Extremely rare non-greed.
I think it's because he had enough distance to recognize he was beat out. If Mario threw the ball just a bit slower, I think he actually gets out there. To the bird!
Yeah. To the bird.
Oh, but Yoshi's got
Back to
it.
Yoshi, and it's now. And Red Shy
Oh
Guy's
my
way out
god,
of
the
position, so it's a big play.
massive... Whoa! I kind of forgot he wasn't at...
He's bird.
I kind of forgot he wasn't at 3rd there.
I remember. These birds are awful for the offense. Like, they have a 95% chance of just getting an out or an extra out.
Yeah.
Compared to normal.
Very rarely does it... And Pianta's striking out. Barring a real runaway here from the washing machine, this is looking to be a really close game. They're gonna get down. Ooh, the Pianta wanted that. Ooh. Oh, but the
magical
recovery. Alright, it's Dixie. Can't get a double play here at least, but... Get a hit!
It's the bullet bill.
Bringing up Red Madge. A hit here would get Fire Bro up one last time this game. Bullet Bill for a ball. Oh, that's gonna be it for the washing machine.
Oh, that's gonna be an out though.
One run.
The lead still by one
PD
run.
up. You need.
Birdo misses the first one. You really, really want to get Birdo out here.
She is not.
That's gonna be straight down the middle. She's on base for PD.
Chem on a case to make tonight. Two strikes.
Does he have it in him?
It'll be a strike or a hit here. It's just gonna be a hit. No, but he's gonna get the first.
Slap to Mario. Tries to get Birdo out.
Oh, he tries to put them up massively on the
That could
defense.
cost them.
A lot of misplays from
Red
Mario
Toad.
tonight. Oh, massive line drive! Oh no!
Foul star swing.
But the chain chomp doesn't try to knock
Directly
it
to
back
chain
fair.
chomp. Catch by Mario. Clutch. Green Toad still is 2 on though. Very scary.
Oh, that's gonna get caught.
Bad contact. Red Noki easily catches it. They've got 2 outs and 2 runners on.
For red, oh no, for yellow Madge, no stars.
No
That's
stars
gonna be the
left in tank.
game.
That's a red Tiana.
All those stars they wasted coming
That's
back
the
to
game.
bite them. Not letting yellow Madge get a line drive star swing there to win. I don't know if we can really call that an MVP performance from, wow, Yoshi, what the fuck?
I have no idea.
Paracoopas, as always.
Yup. Infinite base hits.
Oh, right, Dixie got an RBI. I was like, where the fuck was this? 5 strikeouts. Not bad, not bad. Oh.
Not bad.
Red Toad.
Green Toad.
That's going to deflate their trade value.
I don't know if it deflates their trade value. I think their value is like set at like infinitely high at all times.
To you specifically. Well, that's going to do it.
Yeah.